Hi to all the animal lover out there. With all these recall on dog foods going on out there, it got my concern and attention. So I'm here to make some dog food for my 3 little ones. I have some beef, some rice, some boiled egg, and few of other ingredients to make this happen. We're gonna go ahead, cook the meat and cut off the video and be back when the meat's done cooked. And you don't have to use beef. You can use chicken or even chicken liver. So I'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. Look like the meat is done cooked. Make sure they're well done and brown. So we got a bowl. Make sure you have a bowl so that you can mix all these wonderful ingredients in for your little one. We should be mixing some rice and some boiled egg. The dog haven't left my side since I'm cooking. Well, here I am mixing everything together, but don't worry, all the ingredient is in the recipe in the book. So we are going to let these 3 little ones try this out, and they can't wait to try this food out. Are you boys and girls ready? Yeah, mommy cooking good food. Tippy, Schnauzy, Wishbone, are you guys ready? Okay. If it's a little dry, you can always add some water. And if there's just a little bit big, just make it a little bit piece for your babies. We're gonna add just a little bit water. And just kind of pour it in there. And these guys are so patient because they know they're getting something healthy and something good for them. Here's Wishbone, Tippy, and Schnauzy. Good. Sit down. Sit. Wish, Tip, and Schnauzy. My goodness, it's delicious. All gone. Wow, they love it.
Even your picky eater Schnauz?
Oh yes, even Schnauzy, a picky eater. Everything's gone to the last drop. And Tip is licking everything and even taking away from Wishbone. All right, guys. Well, thank you again. All the ingredient is in the book and the measurement, everything. So don't worry, everything is in there. So please check us out. And again, thank you for your time.